Hello guys, it's TechTestDown, and in this video we will be demonstrating you how to install TWRP on Redmi 1S. The reason why we are telling you to install TWRP recovery is that in case of Redmi 1S it's very stable and easier to flash ROMs. So please follow the procedure. In this video we will be telling you two procedures for flashing TWRP. The first one is for the persons who don't have root access on their device. The person who don't have root access on their device need to download the file provided in the description and store it anywhere on their internal storage. After storing the file on their internal storage, they need to click on the Xiaomi Updater app and wait for a while. Now they need to click on three dots provided here and click on choose update package. Now they need to navigate to the file folder where they have stored the file which I have provided. Like I have stored it in here. Now they need to just flash TWRP 2.8.00 to zip by clicking on it. Your device will go into booting and the ROM will be the custom recovery will be installed. Here after installing, your device will boot back into system, so you please need to wait patiently. Don't cancel the process in between or remove the battery. Now here my device has been booted back after installing the zip. Now we will be checking that whether the recovery has been installed or not. So you just need to go to the Updater app again and click three dots and click on reboot to recovery mode and click on reboot now. Now you will be seeing that TWRP has been successfully installed onto your device. And here you can see that you have successfully flashed TWRP on your device. Here now we will be telling you how to install TWRP on devices which have been rooted. So you please need to check that you have a proper root access on your device. You can check it by downloading the Root Checker app from Play Store. And here you can see that my device has a root access. So now I need to download an app known as TWRP Manager. This app is available on Play Store. You can simply download it from there. Now click here and you need to download TWRP Manager. Here you can see this is a TWRP Manager app. I have installed this previously. Now I am going to open it. Here it will be checking the root access for your device. So you please need to wait for some time. Now here you will see this message. Now you need to click on this device name and select your phone's model by just going down. Here you will see Xiaomi Redmi 1S. Now I have clicked on it. Now you need to click on recovery, install this recovery version to install. Now you need to click on this and it will be downloading the recovery. You need to download. You can select any recovery from here and download it. After that you need to click on install recovery. It will take you to this screen and you will see a message here known as downloading. Downloading will take some time, so you please need to wait. After the downloading has been completed, the custom recovery will be getting installed on your device. Now after that you need to go to the Updater app. Again click on three dots and click on reboot to recovery mode to check whether you have successfully installed TWRP recovery or not. And here you have successfully installed TWRP recovery. That's all. You can find my other videos that how to update any Xiaomi device to MIUI version 7, how to root Xiaomi Redmi 1S, Redmi 2, Redmi 2 Prime, and other videos by following the link in the description. Please like, subscribe to my channel and comment to my video if you face any query. Thanks for watching.